Good morning guys, welcome to another video. We have the F8X M3 here getting some new carbon fiber parts, but here's the bone stock Austin yellow F8X M3. Look how sexy it looks. You guys, this is one of my favorite diffusers. I just love how aggressive these fins look on the under tray. And then these side fins are gonna look so nice. Just mocking it up right now. Shout out to Beamer Plug for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, we're gonna remove this OEM diffuser. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just not as aggressive as what I want this car to be built. RIP guys, I just noticed something very unfortunate. We have a nail stuck to the tire right there. No, I just got these tires replaced too, brand new tires. And to remove the old diffuser, there's going to be 4 little screws here, So once the 4 little screws are removed, you can just pop it out. Boom, super easy pop out like that. Alright you guys, Alex just pulled up while I was working on the M3, her little Patrick car. We got the SpongeBob car here. So let's just compare the carbon one with the OEM one. Look how small and boring this is compared to this. It's a little longer. We're going to go ahead and place it on. It fits like a glove. Look how good it looks. Alright vlog, so we have to make holes all along here. We have Alex here. We're just screwing in all the diffuser pieces.
I'm trying to pop all of them.
Alright guys, the diffuser part is put on. Now we're gonna show you guys the side pieces right here. Alright you guys, reloading. Drill the 2 holes really cool. Alright you guys, after a long process of putting it together, we thought it would take 1 hour. You guys, it took like 4 hours to get this diffuser on. But it looks super aggressive, super nice. I'll try to get better lighting for you guys and show you guys more in depth on the diffuser. Guys, the PSM diffuser is finally on and looks super aggressive and very nice. The carbon fiber is shining very hard. It honestly changed the whole rear end of the look. Alright guys, we have the F8X M3 out here in Vile's shop. Wrapping a car over there. So yeah, this is how the rear end looks. M4, M3, and we're trying to figure out the diffuser that flew off back on the M3. Alright, he's 3M taping inner piece so it holds on. You guys, look at the diffuser, look at the wing now. Damn guys, he absolutely killed it. Shout out to Vile Motorsports guys. This is the shop, and just look. Looks insane. Look at these BMWs guys. Just want to showcase some of the cars out here. We're gonna go check out all the Porsches. Look at this DeLorean, bro. Damn.
I think it's the same one that came to our town.
Look at this M2, guys. One of my coworkers just got this JC. He literally took delivery of it yesterday. The interior is sick. Carbon roof, everything right next to this Porsche right here. Damn. One day to own a Porsche. These are just the outside section. We're gonna go check out the interior section of the Porsche Cars and Coffee, guys. I want to show you guys the color on this Porsche. The camera doesn't do justice, but it's like a booger green. It looks beautiful. Porsche's over there. It's like rainbow colored, purple. So many cars still rolling in. You guys, look at this little Speedster right here. We have more Porsches, GT3 RS. I want to show you guys the interior. Look at that 4-speed manual, guys. Big ballin'. Alright guys, we are going now to the underground section of the Porsche Cars and Coffee. There's hella cars, hella music right now. Look at all these spec cars. This is probably my favorite Porsche out here. Damn. I absolutely love this color, guys. One of my favorite colors on the Porsche, the wheels. This car is well spec'd out. Ashton, what do you think of this car right here?
I think 10 out of 10.